I make this dish when I'm tired. It's really good and amazing. It doesn't consume a lot of time, but the good thing is really good and it's healthy as well. It's easy to make. What you need, you just need like 4 pieces of chicken breast, and then your vegetable, carrot, and 2 apple, and 1 lemon, and a spring onion and carrot. What you need, you just need to clean the carrot, cut it to pieces, and then transfer it to another bowl. In the baking, you're gonna bake. We are gonna bake them today. That's what we are doing. This dish is about baking, and to top up all of this stuff, this dish is good, especially when it's like Thanksgiving or maybe on a holiday. Any holiday you're doing, maybe there's a special occasion you are celebrating, and you are tired, and you don't want to go like make turkey or all this stuff. This is really good and amazing. It will not give you a hard time. As long as you have this ingredient, you're good to go. You just chop them and make sure to chop your. Make sure we are chopping the spring onion. When we done chopping them, we're gonna cut the green bell pepper to pieces, and when it's done cut, we're gonna be putting it in the other side because we are gonna use them later as we prepare our dish. Move forward. Actually, you are watching this channel for the first time. Thank you for joining and thank you for watching. Watch this video until the end and share your experience with this video. Thank you. When we done doing that, we're gonna grab our chicken breast and cut them inside deeply. Like we're gonna make sure like we cut it like a hole, and then we trying to like put it other side because we are gonna put it on top of the carrot so that when the juice of the chicken drip down, it's gonna go on the carrot, and that what will make this dish amazing. So far we're gonna be cutting it in that manner, and we're gonna put it there all. Hopefully when they're all done cutting, we are going to be preparing the mixer there to fill it in and out. In this time, you have someone in the kitchen, you can ask to fill the apple for you. But if you don't have someone, it's okay, you can still do it too, because as well we are making that there always be small time there to do it. These are the leftovers of the chicken breast. I'm keeping them in the other side, inside there, because I want them cooked together. In the meantime, you gotta be taking this one and mix it really nicely. When you do, seasoning a little bit. We should seasoning it a little bit to give that flavor, to give the boost, give the flavor boost, and then we can be able to enjoy it more with the delicious spices, and it's really amazing. So far, it was so good today. It's like snow here in a part of Canada where I live. It was nice. So when we are done like that, we have to fill it in. When the mixture is ready, we are gonna fill it. We are gonna fill the chicken breast with the mixture we made, and when they're all full, we are gonna bring the apple, the chopped slices of apple, and we're gonna fill it inside. That is the apple. You're gonna take 1 spoon like that. We're gonna take 1 spoon like that, and we're gonna put it in there to make sure that it's cooked really nicely. To make sure that it's give the flavor later on. We want the flavorful chicken as well. Nice Thanksgiving dinner or holiday or anything. Today was Thanksgiving in our place, Canada, and I just made it for to replace turkey a little bit. But if we have time, we could have made turkey instead of this. But because we didn't have that time and we tired, I was really tired though. So this is why I was able to make this, because I couldn't go through hours making turkey and watching it and maintaining it, taking care of it is a long time. And this dish is perfect for Thanksgiving or any holiday because it's just within an hour you can have it, but turkey can take like 8 hours, a long time. This dish is good, especially when you're tired. We are gonna make sure to seasoning it really well. We're gonna make sure that it's well seasoning enough, and all the seasoning I'm using here It's optional actually. You don't need to be repair any seasoning. We don't need to repair. You have like your favorite seasoning in the kitchen, you can go with that. It's totally okay. It's that would make it different, and that the recipe will still stand the same, and you don't have to worry about that at all. What your main focus should be chicken and all the greenery here, and you have them. Like spices is just something you can do. We're gonna make butter. We're gonna pour the butter inside there. I'm using this frozen like I'm using this kind of butter because this is what I have in my kitchen. I'm using this butter. I'm gonna be seasoning it. Let's seasoning it and let's pop it in the oven to like to unmelt. Actually, English is really hard to unmelt, and then when it's become like oil, we're gonna be pouring it inside there. Mix the food we are making. Actually, it's solid now, and we want to unsolid it, and that's what we want to do. That we are gonna do now. Actually, this chicken powder is must have. You have to have it. It's very important to have it in the kitchen, especially you like to seasoning it food a lot. It's a must have for anyone who like to cook or anyone who like to make dinner or lunch. This should be perfect and nice. But the rest of seasoning we have here is optional. When we're done seasoning the butter, we're gonna pop in the oven to unsalt it, and when it's unsalted, we're gonna pour it inside the chicken we prepare, and that should give the dish that flavor and that mush later on when it's cooked. That we are doing right now. Actually, like you can prepare them in advance and then do it all in one, or maybe you can do like what I'm doing. Like I say, this dish is good, especially when you are tired, so that you don't have to get into so many detail. It's one meal. It can be dinner or lunch or anything. You can just have it like that. You don't even need to rub your head. What am I gonna have with this? No, it's just perfect the way it is. Now we are popping it in the oven. My oven was hot already. I'm cooking it in 425 degrees Fahrenheit. For we are making it for 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and it should be an hour cooking there. Set your time to 1 hour and let it cook. We let it cook, and then when it's done cooking, we have to just bring it out in the oven. But if you want, you can let it cool down. For me, I let it cool down a little bit, but not too much though. And then I bring it out. And in here, it should be a little bit more warm, but it should still be hot. You just bring it out right away. We are gonna be testing it right now, and that is the big chunk I put for myself, and we're gonna seasoning it, and after that we're gonna enjoy it. Like I'm recording this video now. This food is no longer available. It's been finished. We already finished it in the one go, because it was so good. We couldn't even like say it. Like my kid was saying, "Mom, we should make this one every year." It was really so good and amazing. This is really good, especially a working mom. You come from work and you're tired, especially as something like a holidays. Okay. But I know there's public holidays, so you can be able to do other things. But if you feel like, I just want to have this time for myself, you should just make this one, and you could enjoy the rest of hours instead of going to the kitchen and check on the turkey and the turkey. I love turkey, don't take me wrong. But turkey is good when you have that much time and you are recharged. You have a lot of energy. You can just make it and keep doing it. And you still watching this until now. Be sure to check the other video